Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see a UG admission notification. So here it is the university, Central University of Jharkhand. So here comes the courses are Bachelor of Arts. It is honors in Far East languages. So there are two subjects. Languages are there. One is Korean language and another one is the Chinese language. So each seat, you can see that the eligibility criteria they have given in the separate column. So for Korean, it is 55 marks in 12th or equivalent exam for general category and exemption. You can see that 50 percentage of the mark is enough for the OBC non-creamy layer SC ST. So the intake capacity is 15 seats. So you can see that at least 65 percentage in English, that is mandatory because Korean language those who are going to study, so that will be a tough job. So that is why, like, to make it simplify, they are asking for this. You can see that Chinese language also there is a similar eligibility criteria only, so they also want English, so that will be a bilingual communicable language. So here the Chinese language is having 31 seats. So if anybody is willing to start your career in foreign languages, so you can do apply here in your UG only. You can see that the need of foreign language in India is much because when the foreigners visit India, so like officials who make diplomatic dialogues, so in that place somebody has to be translated in their language. So if they know Chinese, Korean, if somebody is coming from China, like for example, last year Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with the China's Prime Minister. So that time there is a person who need to translate them what is what. So like that will be a better opportunity to you all to earn more money. So if you want to be a diplomat or else if your aim is to earn more money, so you can do apply for this program. To get more admission notification, please do subscribe to the Revamp YouTube channel.